Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a Samsung account, updated phone OS, and basic permissions enabled. Open Samsung Health and sign in. Once done, allow access to location, motion sensors, and storage so the app can track activity and sync data. Make sure Bluetooth is on if you plan to pair a watch or scale. You're starting the actual configuration now. Don't skip permissions because the app can't record steps or vitals without them. Next, pair devices and set tracking preferences. Tap devices, choose your watch or scale, and follow on-screen pairing steps. Once paired, data flows automatically. Then customize goals, tap Manage Goals and set realistic step, sleep, and weight targets so the app gives meaningful feedback. Also enable continuous heart rate or step detection where available, because continuous sampling improves accuracy for trends versus single checks. If you use third-party apps, connect them under data permission. To finish, review data permissions and backup to ensure your history is stored to your Samsung account or cloud. Once done, perform a manual sync so you know everything is working. If data doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is active, devices are charged, and location permission remains enabled. These are common failures. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Samsung Health. Doing that often resets corrupted settings and restores normal syncing, which resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.